All right, it finally came in. December, I think it was 21st maybe, or December 20th. I ordered this net for my truck. So supposedly, I need a knife for this. Hold on, let me grab my knife. Let me grab my knife. Thought I was done cutting stuff open. Here we go. Oh, it's just sticky. Oh. Tesla's like, they go over the top for their packaging. It's like way too much. These are metal brackets, but they're aluminum, but they're pretty heavy duty. I guess these bolt into the front of your Cybertruck, the Frunk, and then this netting somehow attaches to, that's it. Look at this box though, and it's like, and these are kind of expensive. I think this thing is like 150 bucks or something like that. So they get money on their stuff. Might have been 200 bucks. I have to look back on that thing. But their boxes are nice. I bet that box probably cost 20 bucks. Anyway. Alright. So this is the netting, and it's spring. It's kind of like the same material. Remember the old cargo nets for your tailgate? It's kind of like the same thing, but it's a little more robust, and it has these big aluminum or steel anchors in the corners. What's cool is when you throw stuff, I already have a bunch of scratches all over my front of my truck inside the tonneau cover. I mean, I don't know what I'm talking about. Inside the Frunk, because it's just a big empty space and there's no way to tie stuff down. And so basically you can put your groceries or whatever you put, you can pick up this net and shove it underneath, especially stuff that can roll around, and then that way it won't scratch up everything, which mine's already scratched up. But at least this way, also too, if I have something up there, if I take off or have to brake, it's not going to be bouncing around inside that container, and who knows, accidentally hit that button and pop up the Frunk. So that's the last thing you want, is drive down the road and all of a sudden your Frunk comes up. So anyway, I'm going to go install this, and hopefully it won't take very long, and I'll have a way to store stuff in the front without bouncing around. So you just go to the Tesla website. I'll leave a link if I can, but you can just go. I don't know if you can buy them through Amazon. I'll try to see if I can find a link. They might have a third party that makes these for cheaper, and I'll see if I can do a analysis and see which one is better, or if it's worth spending the extra money on the Tesla parts. See you on the next one. Got my part. This is my broken one. So $10 for that little guy. But it's Craftsman. I don't know if that means anything anymore or not, but at least it has a lifetime warranty. And the bad thing is now, if they break, you can't just take them in and exchange them. I guess you have to ship them in, and it takes a couple days to ship them back and all that nonsense. But you can take them to Home Depot, and I think Home Depot will give you the Husky equivalent, or you can go to Harbor Freight. I think they'll give you the Harbor Freight equivalent. Anyway, we'll see. All right, I got my little adapter here. See how long this takes me to get these screws out of here. I wonder if I can perch this up so you guys can see. what's going on. All right, here we are. Got the little pop this thing off here. Get it out of the way. Here's my new one. These suckers are tight. It wasn't too bad. Pop these out. See if I can use both hands here and do two at a time. Dusty in there. I think my daughter's coming. Pop that back in there and then screw it right back in. Yes! Hey!
Ow. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm okay though.
All right.
Yep. No, I'm okay.
Yeah.
Really deep.
Yeah.
Like last time.
Get a band-aid. Come right back.
No, I'm okay.
Okay. You want to help me?
Oh, you didn't say hello.
I know, but you can still help me.
With what?
Just I'm putting this net on here. Is it bleeding?
Not that bad.
I'm gonna take care of it. Gotta be careful.
I forgot how sharp this truck
Yeah.
is.
All right, let's tighten this up. Pop this off. All right. One down, one to go. All right. Let's turn the camera around and see if we can take the other side here. Two minutes so far, almost 3 minutes. Should be able to do this in about 5 minutes. Especially if you have like one of those. I could have brought my little impact wrench and zip, 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 zip. If Joey was doing this, he would have did that. But I don't usually carry that thing around with me too much. Get those dust particles out of there. All right. Take those screws out. Drop this bad boy in. Put the screws back in. That should be about it. Pop off your 10mm socket and adapter. Screw it in. Drop that in there, screw it in. Pop it back on your ratchet. Give it a little tightening. Not too tight, you don't want to strip it, just snug. That's it. Now all we have to do is put the netting in. I'm not sure how that's gonna go. If it goes a certain way. So basically you push in, I guess. come from the side. Maybe? Yeah. How's that work? How's it supposed to work? I don't understand. Oh, you know what? I wonder if that was supposed to go. I guess it just locks in on the. Is there an adjustment on there? Doesn't seem like it locks in very tight. Unless see, this one's like, are they different sizes? Alright, I guess that's one size. I don't know if I like that, it's not tight enough.
Dad!
You alright? You gonna be there?
A little skin tore off, but that's okay.
You gotta be careful around this sucker. Alright, that's it. Installed. And you put stuff under it. So
You saw how much money we're all spend?
I don't know. Alright guys, that's it.
Hello.
We will see you on the next one.
$400.